I am giving you 100% guarantee that you will free from catheter within 1 month. If you will do these all exercises and stimulation regularly with a full dedication and discipline, then you will free from catheter. Even you will get a control on your bladder and bowel muscles. Hello friends, myself Bhavish Parmar and I am also a spinal cord injured patient just like you, and I welcomes all of you on my YouTube channel. Friends, all the information provided by us should be performed in the manner described. SCI patients with pre-existing conditions or past injuries should discuss their exercise with their physiotherapist before doing. If you feel discomfort, stop and report the discomfort to them or contact your nearest wellness spine physio specialist in your area. Hi friends, how are you? Since last 4 years, I am making a video for our spinal cord injured brothers and sisters. Actually friends, I am also a spinal cord injured patient since last 4 years, and as per my history, I am making spinal cord injury related videos. I am also a motivational speaker. So within a 4 years, I have so many patients out of India. I am belongs to India country, but right now it is very necessary for me to make a videos in English language also. So this is my first video in English language for our spinal cord injured patients, brother and sisters. Okay, so as per heading of this video, that this video is for urinal problems, specific catheter issues, because catheter is a big enemy for spinal cord injured patients. So in these issues, we need to first remove catheter. Our first target to remove catheter. Okay, so in this video I am presenting some videos and stimulations exercises for spinal patients. So I recommend you all brothers and sisters kindly watch these all exercises. Okay, and then after, just first take advice of your physiotherapist and then do this exercise, because I humble requesting you that please first of all see this exercise 1 up to 10 time, up to 20 time, up to 50 time. Okay, when you understand how to do this exercise, then after start exercise, because without understanding don't do any exercise, otherwise it will create tragedy for you. Okay, so first of all I will show some exercises. Okay, and so friends, let's start with exercises. First exercise is urine control exercise. Okay, so I will show you, visualize it and then start to do it. Okay, so in this exercise, first of all, you need to take a supine position on a bed. Okay, just like this. Straighten your leg according to your body line. Keep your whole body on a soft bed. Okay, now bend your legs 90 degree to floor. Keep your angle properly. Okay, now in this exercise, first of all you need to take a breath just like this. Then you need to uplift your
pelvic floor. Hold it in this position. After taking a breath, taking a uplift your pelvic floor, hold it for a 10 to 20 second, and then relax with hold breath to breathe out. Okay, so I am doing this whole operation. Just look at here. First step, just like this. So blow out a breath with very forcefully. Okay, so this is the whole cycle. This is called a urine control exercise. So this is the breathing, breathe out accordingly urine control exercise. This is very important exercise to control your urine, to control your bladder and bowel. Okay, so this is the first exercise. Now second exercise is a Kegel exercise. In Kegel exercise we are doing 4 type of Kegel exercise. First Kegel exercise is a bridging exercise. In this exercise you need to hold your both knees at a 90-degree angle. Hold it with your both legs. If you can't hold it, if you are not having a power in your adduction and abduction, okay, so hold it with your both hand. Otherwise take a help of your physiotherapist or any of your family members. Okay, now you need to make a bridge. You need to lift your pelvic floor. Okay, just like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now down. Okay, so you need to make a 10 repetition according to your strength. Okay, in urine control exercise you need to also do a 10 repetition. Same in bridging exercise you need to do 10 repetition. Okay, so after doing these bridging exercises you need to do pillow squeeze. Pillow squeeze, in pillow squeeze exercise you need to put a pillow between your two knees. Okay, just like this, and try to push the pillow between your two knees. Okay, now we are starting a pillow squeeze exercise. 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. Okay, so you need to do this 10 repetition a day, morning and evening. Okay, so this is a pillow squeeze exercise. Now again I am taking help of a pillow. So this is the second exercise. Now third Kegel exercise is crunches. Okay, so in crunches there are 2 type of crunches. First is front crunches. In this you need to do like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you need to do 10 repetition morning and evening, just like same but in a side rotation. 1, 2. You required someone to hold your both knees, and you need to reach like this. 1, 2. So this is the side crunches. So all these 4 Kegel exercise you need to do 10 repetition morning and evening. So this is the second urine control exercise. Now third one urine control exercise is catheter block exercise. In catheter block exercise, I will show a catheter and how to block it. So for this, first of all, I need to sit properly, and I will show you a first catheter. Friend, this is the catheter. In catheter there are 2 type of part. First is catheter tube. It's just like this. This is a rubber type material. Okay, it has a 2 openings. Another part which will goes entire the bladder, and when you will push a water into one end of a catheter, there will make a balloon in the catheter. Okay, and it will lock the catheter inside the bladder. Okay, so catheter will not come out from bladder, and from this hole you can see the hole. Okay, from this hole your urine will come out from another hole of catheter. Okay, so this is the catheter terminology, how it looks and how it works. Okay, and from another end, from where your urine is came out, the urine pipe, this is the urine pipe, friends. Urine pipe will be connected just like this, and from this urine pipe your urine will be collected into this urine bag. So this is the whole catheter assembly. One end having a hole is inside the bladder, from which your urine is came out from another end, and from another end your urine will go inside this urine bag by this urine pipe. Now friend, in third urine control exercise, which is catheter block exercise, in this exercise what you need to do, you need to do every 2 hours a day block your catheter. So if you have any type of tie material or any type of thread, then you need to tie a urine pipe. You need to tie urine pipe, not a catheter pipe. You need to tie a catheter pipe near catheter end. You need to tie urine pipe near catheter end just like this. Okay, you need to tie a urine pipe, so urine will not come out from catheter into urine bag. So this is catheter block. Now leave it up to 2 hours. So urine will store into your
into your bladder. When your bladder will be full of urine, then you will analyze, or you got in such angle of sensation, your bladder muscles will understand that in such quantity of urine is stored inside a bladder. So your brain will automatically understand that your bladder is full of urine. So after 2 hours you need to remove this thread and relax this urine pipe. So from catheter urine came out and it will be go inside the urine bag. During that time you need to feel that your bladder is going to be empty. You need to feel through your muscles that urine is passing through this catheter, through your genital parts. So this is the catheter block exercise. In catheter block exercise, you need to block urine pipe up to 2 hours, and after these 2 hours you need to try to realize, to feel that urine is came out from your genital parts, from catheter. So this is the main ideology of catheter block exercise. During this catheter block exercise, you need to do another thing. What? That whenever you are going to be relax this urine pipe, you are going to be remove this thread to unblock this urine pipe, you need to try to forcefully pass the urine. If urine passes in a higher quantity in urine bag, so this is the power of your bladder muscles. Then after you need to stop, or you need to relax force. So you will automatically analyze that you can pass or you cannot pass the urine. So this is the next ideology of catheter block exercise, that if you can generate your bladder muscles power to pass the urine or not. Okay, so in catheter block exercise there are two things happen. First is you can pass the urine, and second thing is you can forcefully pass the urine. Okay, so this is a very important exercise for control the urine, also pass the urine. Okay, so now after this catheter block exercise, the last, you can say exercise or you can say urine stimulation. Okay, so I am showing this urine stimulation. In urine stimulation, this is very important thing. In urine stimulation, you need to purchase a urine stimulation machine. In urine stimulation machine, you can purchase any a good company. There are so many of good companies available on Amazon or Flipkart and so many other online websites also. I have purchased this Tira company urine control stimulation machine. Okay, it has a, there are three 3 operation SF, IG and TENS. Okay, so first of all I need to connect it through a AC current. And now it's a start. Okay, there are 3 type of power. SF, it will show as a green current. Second is IG current, shows as a red, and third one is a TENS, shows as a yellow. Right now I am using a IG current, okay, as per my physiotherapist instructions. Now it has a 2 type of cable having a 2 electrode, red and black, connected with a machine with red to red port and black to black port. You can see here. Okay, then after this 2 electrode is connected with your urinal parts. Okay, is keep on your bladder muscles. Okay, so before keep it on, you need to understand the terminology of this stimulation machine. This machine have a 2 operating button. One button is for intensity and second is for contraction. Okay, both are decided by your physiotherapist. After your physiotherapist will decide it depending upon your muscle power, depending upon your muscle contraction, depending upon your sensitivity. You can by your own self take this urine stimulation in a one time day. Okay, so here I will show you how to take a urine stimulation. So first of all you need to lay down. Now you need to put both electrodes on your bladder muscles just like this. Here I am putting on a bladder and both side. So you can see it easily that how I have put both the electrode on my bladder muscles. Now this is the intensity which my physiotherapist suggests me. So I am giving the intensity according to my sensitivity, and then after only 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. This time is also decided by your physiotherapist. Okay, so first of all you need to decide intensity, contraction, time limitation and stimulation point. All this decided by your physiotherapist, and then after you can daily take up to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the last urine control exercise, urine stimulation. So friends, now you need to decide that how you can take a control of your urine, you can take a control of your bladder and bowel muscles. Okay, and I give you 100% guarantee. I am giving you 100% guarantee that you will free from catheter within 1 month. If you will do these all exercises and stimulation regularly with a full dedication and discipline, then you will free from catheter. Even you will get a control on your bladder and bowel muscles. Okay, so my last message for you all my SCI spinal cord injured brothers and sisters, that please don't do any exercise without taking advice of your physiotherapist. If you are doing these all exercise alone at home, if you are not having enough money, okay, then first of all, please try to understand this exercise. Watch these exercise videos one time, two time, 10 time, 50 time, okay. But if you will not understand how to do, then don't do, okay. Whenever you will realize that how to do this exercise in a proper manner, then you will definitely get a result, definitely get a recovery. It is my promise to you, because lot of patients are getting day by day recovery due to these exercises. And I have confidence in myself because it is my own experience. I have do this on my own self, okay. Then in last thing is be happy, do exercises, and don't lose hope, okay. And wish you best of luck.